Biafra Liberation Army have captured one Nigeria Road safety officer and set him free because he's an Igbo man. That Igbo man cannot shed the blood of Igbo man. That he's lucky he don't have any arm on his hand. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And do not forget to give this channel a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Turn on your notification bell for a quick update as it is hot. No be smart, you know. They say Biafra Liberation Army commander don't capture one Nigeria Road safety. And if you see, oh my God, he set the man free. He did not kill the man. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch. We have a lot of things to talk in this particular video today. So let's watch the video together, then we'll come back and continue.
You don't say to, you don't rado. Mazi Janto don't land on the stage again. Gidibam, gidibam. This is AKA Igwe Obatobie 1 na Lock Igwe. Ejimo Tata. Bo Friday 22nd n'ime ọnwa September n'afọ 2023. Wele wetara unu ozi ọma. I don't come again. This matter is very simple. So una dey see am. We there now, live and direct. Make una dey hear my voice clearly. This is Biafra Liberation Army. Amen. Whether una like it or not, na AKA Commander Gento the Yahoo. Obuonya Mbendola Atoyoto. Nigeria, know and remember, all Eastern region, remember far back when you people slaughtered my master, Ikonso. Now I don't come up. Una think say he go there like Funa. You no go there like Funa body. Una go de collect and woto. Una de see am. Una go de collect and woto. I don't come again. It's very simple. Very, very simple. I have given you my location. You see the road? We there is to Omaiha Road. Now that we there, life and direct. We know the hide. Understand? We know the hide. Understand that now. It's very, very simple. And I am still coming for that. Now, this is one of the personnel in the country, in the zoological country. Now they see Enugu, now not this man now. You say you from where? Come on, open up. You are from Ihiala and where? Open up. From Mbos. You are from Mbos in Ihiala. Where do you work? You work for? With Federal Road. With Federal Road. Very wicked people. You know the Yaram? Not the word the Yaram.
Accident victims.
Confirm.
What got me out this morning. There was an accident around Omonia.
Back on the Yaram.
All us, we went there. It is a big truck. There is no death.
Back on the Yaram.
And I came back. I said, okay, let me go and look for fibroid drugs for my sister. Because yesterday I called people. I said, this lockdown, coffee, 6 to 12, is holding everywhere. And for the past 3 days, I never go out. I said that Prime Minister Frée has confirmed that it's only for government to shut down government offices. That every other business can go. I said, can people go out? They say yes. That was why I came out. So okay, let me go and look for drugs this morning. When they stopped me, because I am a Biafra, my stuff. Anything he asked me to do, I said, I am so person. But this is my stand. I'm almost pulling out by December. I have applied for retirement. But because there is a process, if you not allow me to pull out the plan, I have been in casino for those 7 years for because I'm an Igbo man. Nothing is spending you.
Whoa!
So,
okay, spending you.
Seriously.
The thing is spending you.
Because Igbos are being marginalized. And one of the things that take me to the north is because I want a Igbo man in the office. When this, I say, Biafra has come to stay, saying alive that we are wasting our time. I said, I didn't know he called people in Abuja, and they transferred me from Nicola to the north. Was the first project for good 7 years. To transfer was a problem.
Because of you an Igbo man.
Because I'm an Igbo man. Even in the office.
Hold on. I just want to appreciate our people these days. And to give this message, this is a powerful message to Hope Uzodimma. And I am still coming back again today at my office. Hope Uzodimma, hear this clearly. You are just beating around the bush.
Yes.
All Eastern leaders, you should listen. It's very, very simple. Remember, when we were carrying flag on the streets, you people were destroying our lives, killing us and destroying our houses, killing our brothers anyhow, thinking that all those people that you have been killing, that they doesn't have people that can intervene for them.
Yes.
That they don't have people that can stand gidiban for them. Now we don't read. These days, I must remind for you people, I am the nigger, the guy, the commander that was standing at Ikoso's back. And now I have come out. These days, now una go here say, Biafran, no be small picking again. Biafran don't grow up.
That's so.
And let me tell you, all Eastern region, this is warning for you all. Biafran nation is unbeatable. Yes. And there is no way that you people can beat Biafrans.
Yes.
Here we are. Isiweketo, Nigeria Røad. Now there we there. Gidibam. Now let me warn you, Hope. Stop killing innocent souls. Stop burning houses in Mbano. Stop killing people that did not do anything to you. Those communities that you are manipulating your evil mind to, they did not even know that we entered that place. They don't even know when we entered that place. Hope, I must have warned you. Hope. Or Eastern region, I must have warned you people. This thing is very simple. Ask how will the problem stop. You know, Hope, you are the father of all this insecurity in Biafra land. All Eastern region is the father. They are the one that planted the unknown government in Eastern region. They are the one that pushes us into this movement. You people cannot deny it. Now I have called this young man. But I must tell you the truth. For you to know and to understand that we are not wicked to our brothers. I will set him free. I must set him free. Hear me out. I am Igwe Obatopia one in Okigwe. Baburuburu. Come up to quiet. I am Igwe Obatopia one along Igwe Baburuburu. We are not against our people. Immediately I saw him.
Hello my people. Welcome back. As you have watched that video. Actually this video is a little bit funny. Because the power of God is very, very strong. Hey, it's only 3, It's only 3 that we hear they will cut them, and the 3 will still remain in that same spot. But this human being, our life is so sweet to us, so precious to us. But maybe if someone see this man on the way and tell him, oh, there's a Biafra Army, you say, come, get out. What is Biafra Army? Leave them. They don't know what they are doing. Who is Biafra Army? And today now, he don't enter for the hand. He sees in the sweat. They pray, they kabash. Even say, don't worry, there's the other video that will come up later, and even the man is following them to talk everything they talk. He agreed here, even though he tell that man that that is a hole. That is a hole in the middle of nowhere. That man will tell you, yes, see the hole, because the faces and the gun is the power of God. The fear inside this man, oh my God, if this man reach us today, hey, oh my people, don't be smart, things are really happening. And you see this video that you are watching now, a lot of people would like to join those guys from today. So this is why I said the governors and the military cannot win this war. Rather, you will risk your life, because village you are coming in, you don't know the people inside that village. Not like before they have a catapult. Even they don't have anything in their hand. and those guys have what you have right now. So I have said it so many times. They release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and see how all these things will end. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the only one that can end this. Not releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the option. Or when you are releasing Nnamdi Kanu, also give a date for referendum for people to decide their fate. So if the people who say they want to remain in Nigeria win, then you have won the war. Nobody will talk about Biafra again and succeed. So the best thing is do these two things. It's very easy. The government should not be afraid of doing it. It's not by force you must live with people forever. No, even some of you have divorced your wives, but you're still living. So leave people who want to fight their fate to go and fight their fate. We have said this so many times. If not, you'll be seeing a video like this. Okay, remember last time when the time people killed the consul and other commanders that the people have killed. More RAC here, did you know him? Do you people know him? That he is the one standing shoulder to shoulder with Ikonso. Do you know the one who is standing shoulder to shoulder with him? The one who is standing with him, do you know the another person who will stand to the one who stand with him? And more of them are being created. When you do whatever operation you do today, we have killed them, we'll finish them. Another group will come up from nowhere again. And they kill more than what you people kill. Now they are armed. They're not even afraid. So the best solution to this whole problem is look for a peace. Dialogue is the best solution to this. Okay, my people, that's all we see them today, and I will say more bring them. Show now. May share this video. Stay tuned. More update is coming up.